Hi student, in this lecture I will teach you about horizontal curve ranging, how you can solve that, how you can mark horizontal curves on roads in the field. So horizontal transitions curve is a curve of constantly changing radius. If used to connect a straight to a curve of radius, then the commencing radius of the transition curve will be same as straight and the final radius will be that of the curve. Clothoids and cubic parabola are common curves. Here we have a formula for length of transition curve, how we can get transition curve. You can use these equations to solve your transition curve, parabola curves. For requirements in the design of transition curve on roads, the value of the minimum safe radius should be minimum radius based on centrifugal ratio, minimum radius based on the friction applied by the car tires on the road surface, and another thing will be considered length of the curve. You can use these equations. In transition curve design, we have two requirements, the value of the minimum radius and the length of curve. You can read about length of curve here, and we have already equations to solve this. I will provide you this PDF book in the description link. You can download from there and you can make practice accordingly. There are two methods for transition curve solutions. Three methods we have. Here you will see setting out transition method, how you can mark your curve in the field. Example number 1. You can use these example to master the curve ranging. There are every step mentioned in these examples. It's about method number 2. There are many examples related to transition curve. Hope you like this video. Please download this file from the